The situation here has deteriorated. Those foul gargoyles pollute the skies.
The Tyranids have the orbital guns.
They do. These unrelenting attacks make a counter-offensive difficult.
We shall take care of that.
From the east!
Move to reinforce the eastern flank! You, go with him!
We will assist in the defense.
Very good, my lord! My lord! Intelligence reports multiple swarms closing in!
Direct us to them!
Sending coordinates to your Auspex display! My lord, we are preparing an airstrike. Can you hold the enemy in place until it hits?
Consider it done! Mission secured. Leave not one of them standing.
In the kill zone!
through the jungle to reach the orbital defense guns. Brother Lirio, assist the Cadians while they establish new defensive lines, then report back.
Yes, Lieutenant. It will not take long.
The orbital guns are on the other side of the swamp.
Be alert. The Tyranids will be lying in wait.
This must be where the swarm originated.
These abhorrent husks are everywhere.
Living organic machines.
Indeed. Their ships, these pods, all of it.
Their very existence is heresy.
We shall thin their numbers today, brother.
Ravener, do not stop moving. Mission secured. Changing magazine. Recovering.
I expect better of the Cadians. Losing the orbital guns was costly.
And they paid for it dearly. But the enemy numbers are not insignificant.
The Cadian aid will have to do better.
Tread carefully. The spores detonate when threats draw near.
Then let us take the advantage and destroy them.
Reloading weapon. Resupplying. Need to reload.
Your combat doctrines are unorthodox, Lieutenant. Which company did you serve with before this one?
Serve the Emperor elsewhere.
The Death Watch?
Yes.
I hope I too will share that honor one day.
Restocking. Reloading.
We need to get through.
Eliminate them, then proceed.
rather than kill.
Reloading weapon.
Frag grenade out!
Scanning. Fresh magazine.
Restocking. Resupplying. There they are. The orbital guns. Reloading. Another one dead. Deploy frag grenade. Loading up. Munitions secured. Clearing the way. Need to reload.
Sir! Sir! I can hear reinforcements!
Vermin exterminate.
Angels! We're saved!
In all my years of service,
Oi!
I thought I'd see this.
We're with the Emperor's angels now. You will desert your post, guardsman.
No, Lord! Never!
We've locked them in. We can do no more.
Open the gate.
Yes, my lord. Open the gates! Sir, you said open the bloody gates!
Scars later.
Another wave. We can't hold them.
You will serve your emperor,
What are they
soldier!
doing?
Trying to get up here!
Into
Take them
position,
down.
men!
Do not let them surround you.
Throwing frag grenade!
Ready to deploy special tactics.
Ready, fire! Don't overheat!
Need to reload.
Are you not the Lord Castellan's soldiers? Fight, damn you! In the name of Cadia! Where is that Cadian spirit I have heard tell?
Got you.
Frag grenade out. We must focus on taking down the hive ship.
Guardsmen, get these gates closed.
Yes, my lord. Transmitting command now. Stand by.
Do not relent in your attacks.
They never learn.
I've never seen orcs do that. Makes them easier to kill.
You have yet to... We are
I
wasting
look
time.
forward to it.
Proceed through the gates.